Batch manifest confirmed. Scanning RFID tags now.
Verified. The dimensions match the specs for the bay assembly.
The cycle time verification is complete. Material composition is stable.
Acknowledged. We can proceed with the bonding sequence.
Ensuring optimal molecular bonding, the oven heats the material to an exact temperature as the worker monitors the temperature curve. This coating is critical for insulating the Sonobuoy launcher system from aircraft vibration, ensuring long-term operational reliability.
Alignment locked. Sequence initiated on panel 3.
Confirmed. The bolting sequence is nominal.
Does the overlay match the physical routing on section C?
Almost. Adjusting the cable tie here to align with the projection.
The ruggedized electronic control module is meticulously secured inside the enclosure. The engineer then
Final alignment confirmed on Jig 3.
Acknowledged. Initiating automated sequence.
Double check the mainline connection.
Secure. Stand clear for testing sequence.
The audio is dominated by the sounds of a modern factory environment. The
Pneumatic pressure is stable.
All systems report green. We have mechanical integrity.
Weight is good. CG is within limits.
Confirmed. Data logged.
The massive launcher system, now fully tested and is lifted by the overhead submarine, is the
The grounding and isolation preparation for the racks is critical. A robotic arm applies specialized conductive epoxy to
trays containing hundreds of circuit boards, power supplies, and proprietary signal processors are delivered to the Process B assembly.
The Maritime Surveillance Equipment Bay assembly commences. Robotic arms begin populating the racks with power distribution units.
Configuration complete. System status is green.
Acknowledged. Ready for operational deployment.
The algorithms are correlating the targets correctly.
Confirmed. The system integration test is proceeding as expected.
Did you calibrate the third sensor?
Yes, channel 4 is live. We are ready for the pre-test cycle.
The fully integrated signal processing equipment bay is now lifted from the test area and slowly transported to the final quality assurance station.
Can you confirm the calibration date on this seal?
Yep. That was completed on the 15th by the night shift.
Verified. Looks good.
Yeah.
All right, slowly into position. Watch the suspension.
Looks good. Let's get this wrapped up tightly.
The signal processing equipment bay, secured on its transport rack, is gently rolled out, marking the final exit from the manufacturing phase. All locks engaged and redundant straps secured. The climate control is stable,
ensuring environmental protection throughout transit.
Shock sensors look good.
Confirmed. The bay is maintaining stable internal conditions.
Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Adjusting angle now, looks good.
Slowly push forward, engage the locks.
Check the alignment on section 4. Clear.
Torquing sequence initiated.
The massive turboprops power the upgraded Tu-95 as it prepares to test the integrated surveillance system over the open ocean.
Systems check, status green. Launcher bay aligned, optical flow nominal.
Copy that. We are go for deployment.
Target bearing 290, deploy on my mark.
Deploying Sonobuoy now. Splash confirmed.
Contact classified.